हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ऐसे तो आप सब जानते हैं कि देर आर डिफरेंट सेलिब्रेशन हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। वैसे एक सेलिब्रेशन है जो हमारे देश में सभी लोगों के द्वारा मनाया जाता है। तो आइए शुरुआत करते हैं उनके बारे में जानने के लिए। तो वो है रिपब्लिक डे। तो आज हम जानेंगे कि क्यों रिपब्लिक डे मनाया जाता है और उस दिन कौन सी ऐसी बातें होती है। सबसे पहले सबको विश यू हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। भारत हर साल रिपब्लिक डे 26 जनवरी को प्राइड एंड फेवर से मनाता है और इट इज़ अ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट डे फॉर एवरी सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया. It marks the day when India became truly independent and embraced democracy. It celebrates the day on which our constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. And we became sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic country. So it is very important to know history of Republic Day celebration, why we are celebrating. So while we got independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, our country was still lacking a concrete constitution. So moreover, India also did not have any experts and political power which would help in the function of the states to affairs smoothly. So the 1935 Government of India Act was basically modified in order to govern. However, that act was more bent towards the colonial rule. Therefore, there was a dire need to form an exclusive constitution that would reflect all that Indian stands for. जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं, डॉक्टर B.R. आम्बेडकर ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी को अगस्त 28, 1947 को लीड किया था. आफ्टर ड्राफ्टिंग it was present to the Constituent Assembly by the same committee on November 4, 1947. This whole procedure was very elaborate and took up to 166 days to complete. The committee organized sessions were kept open to the public. तो ये सारी बातें हैं के लिए कमेटी को बहुत से चैलेंज एंड हार्डशिप का सामना करना पड़ा, बट आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कमेटी लेफ्ट नो स्टोन अनटर्न टू इंक्लूड राइट्स फॉर ऑल. द एम ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वॉज टू क्रिएट द परफेक्ट बैलेंस अमंग ऑल सिटीजन्स ऑफ द कंट्री and all could enjoy equal rights pertaining to their religion, culture, caste, sex, creed and more. At the last day present the official Indian Constitution to the country on January 26, 1950, as we celebrate this day as a Republic Day. Moreover, the first session of the Indian Parliament was also conducted on this day. In addition to this, 26th January also witnessed the swearing in of India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Thus, this day is very important as it marks the end of the British rule and birth of India as a republic country. So this is the history of Republic Day celebration. So now let us see how Republic Day is celebrated throughout the country. Indians celebrate 26 January each year with lots of enthusiasm and zeal. On this day, people forget their religion, caste, creed, sex, and more. It brings together the country as a whole. It truly shows the diversity of our country. The capital of India, New Delhi, celebrate it with a day parade that showcases the might of Indian military and the cultural diversity of our country. This parade takes place in our cities as well, means other cities and other places, where a lot of schools participate in, and it is a delight to watch the children and professionals put in so much effort. The way they grace the parade makes one proud of their country. We also do national flag hosting on this day in New Delhi as well as other parts of the country. After the President of India hosts our national flag, 21 guns salutes follow it with national anthem played by the military band. Further, in schools, march part take place, and it is mandatory for every student to attend the celebration. In many schools, they distribute sweets on this very special day. While it is very joyous day, we must not forget the struggle of freedom that our forefathers took part in. Moreover, it is a day to celebrate the spirit of freedom and make sure to help India reach greater height in the future. So I hope you have come to know the true meaning of Republic Day celebration in our country. So once again, wish you all happy Republic Day.